look what just happened, everyone. It's about time because, wow, it's been dead. Phew. Takes a little bit of the edge off. Alright, let's see what we can do. Big numbers, no whammies, pop. Oh, come on, don't do this now. 1, 1, 1. Oh. Let's see if we could save it. Come on. Come on, 1, 1, 1, 1. Yes, thank you. Sweating bullets over here. Oh, man. If we could do a triple miner, that would be great. Come on, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Thank you. Ooh, I see that 625. Okay, 2 more, 2 more. I'll take 13,000. Come on, let's do it live on the tubes. 1 more. Oh. Oh, well, that's okay. I'll take it. That's good for me. Thank you for watching Midwest Lady Slots. Or nope, I said that backwards, sorry. Lady Midwest Slots. $1,700. Okay, everyone. I'll come back if I get anything more. Please like and subscribe. It helps the channel.